This car wash I'm after doesn't have the best reviews on Google. Lots of people are saying that it only has one bay open sometimes, the vacuum isn't very good, and a few other things. So I'm gonna go check it out. The car wash is called IMO or IMO or IMO, I'm not quite sure. This car wash is right next to Sydney Domestic Airport, which means it can get quite busy. All right, here we go. Ah, so there's lots of people drying their cars, not many people washing their cars. So 3 bays were all open, and I just drove straight in as well, so not bad. Okay, let's do this. See if we can pick up all this disgusting dirt. So, as actually the reviews have said, the suction on these vacuums isn't strong at all. We can get that plastic. See that there's a bit of plastic here. I would rate the IMO car wash at Sydney Airport. I would give it a 5.5. The pressure hose was powerful enough. I've had more powerful pressure hoses at other car washes, but again, it did what it needed to do. I don't think if you had caked in dirt, it would be too effective at hosing it off in the first go, because I don't actually think it's powerful enough. The brush was just spitting foam, like foam was coming out, but it was just like spitting for like a few seconds, and then it would stop, and then it would kind of just reload its foam. It did its job, but it wasn't like, whoa, that kind of foam. Not the fluffy foam that completely covers your car, and then you take a photo of it because it looks like a sheep. In my opinion, the fluffier you can cover your car in suds and foam, the better it is to wash off, because it's just quite satisfying when all that white foam comes off. But washing the foam off this car kind of actually felt like I was just washing off bits of spit. The reviews I saw online basically all commented on how the vacuums weren't very good, and they didn't really suck up that much dirt and rubbish. And I can confirm that the vacuums aren't very good, but they do still suck up dirt. They're just not very powerful, or as powerful as vacuums that you might have used before. In order for it to be scored higher, I would say it just needs everything increased by 20%. Stronger power hose, stronger vacuum, more foam. Join me next time on Suds Safari, where I review another self-service car wash in Sydney. One day of the world, but Sydney for now, because I'm poor.